Okay, so hello everyone, I'm Sarvesh and today we are going to learn about F strings. More than half of the people who are decent in the terms of Python doesn't know about F strings, or they often use the normal variable type to declare as a uh, statement or to handle as a new function. But today we are going to learn about F strings. F strings are basically used for uh, using variable and a print function at the same time. So let us see with an example. I'm making a new tab in Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so uh, as we know, for declaring a variable, we have to firstly name a variable. Here we are giving name as Ramesh. Suppose we are storing his age. His age is 19. Let us print this variable. Okay, now we will print. First, we will see that how we will be printing the age of Ramesh as an output. So normally we write age of Ramesh is, and then after that we will write comma and then simply write Ramesh. Age of Ramesh is 19. As we know that we are hereby giving that a simple comma and then writing the variable name, but it is a very lengthy process to write many variable names. Suppose we have more than 10 variables in a particular program, then uh, uh, using this manner of code will be a piece of trash. That's why we will go to F strings and we will master a new kind of knowledge with F string. So for F string we have to write print normally, and then inside print we will write F. I will be taking the help of um, I will be taking the help of W3 school for finding the F string amount. Okay, so after F we have to give a double quote, and inside that I can write anything. Suppose I'm writing mm, my name is Ramesh and my age is for uh, inputting or using a variable. I have to simply pass a curly braces. Within these two curly braces, I will be writing the variable name. I will write Ramesh, and I will try to print this. Okay, hereby I can see that my name is Ramesh and my age is 19. So this is all for the video, and my name is not Ramesh, by the way. And thank you for watching.